Hi, có bố báo hai lưu mong. Có lùm bê huli kya.
With each generation that passes, the Hmong risk the chance of losing their language and cultural identity. According to the 2020 U.S. Census, the Hmong American population is among the youngest of all groups in the United States, with the majority being under 30 years old, born after 1980, and most part Hmong are under 10 years old. With fewer children learning how to speak Hmong and little recognition in the history books, it makes us question how long the Hmong language and heritage will live on. To address this issue, Hmong Culture Camp has created a virtual program called Hmong Made Simple. Hmong Made Simple provides fun and simple learning lessons for Hmong and non-Hmong educators to utilize in classrooms. It teaches educators and students how to be culturally inclusive and accepting of all backgrounds. Hmong Made Simple will be accessible to all educators and students, and our launch date is set for August 2023. Hmong Made Simple offers 6 unique units ranging from children's songs, culture, Hmong games, common phrases, reading and storytelling, and arts and dance. These lessons were co-created with Hmong youth. The curriculum gives educators and students the opportunity to learn both green and white Hmong dialects. During storytelling sessions, stories can be read in English and Hmong. There are over 60 lessons and bonus materials with resources that will be added year-round. To reach our goal of reaching many and teaching students about the Hmong language and culture, we need help from our community members. We are currently searching for beta testers who are willing to test out Hmong Made Simple and give us feedback. Beta testers will receive a discounted rate for our program. We would love to connect to administrators from around the world who are interested in our program. If you are an administrator or know of one, please ask them to reach out to us. And lastly, we need help from our friends and family from Hmong Culture Camp to advocate for Hmong Made Simple at your children's school. If you have any questions, please reach out to Hmong Culture Camp's founder, Buasavan Lor, at hmongculturecamp@gmail.com, visit our Hmong Made Simple website at hmongmadesimple.com, or connect with us on Facebook at Hmong Culture Camps. Thank you for listening, and we hope to see you soon. Xin Ji Dua.